Welcome to the School of Programming. What I want to introduce to you today is everyone's Google BARD. Google BARD released to a limited number of users on March 21. These users must be in the United States and the United Kingdom to experience, and the experienced personnel are also a small number. I am very excited to experience Google BARD. Of course, everyone has the opportunity to experience. Next, let me introduce how to experience Google BARD. First, you can search for Google BARD in Google. Then log in with your original Google account and click Join the waitlist for BARD. Note, currently only the United States, the United Kingdom and other places are open for experience. But I believe everyone knows about VPN. So if you want to experience, you can use VPN to the United States or the United Kingdom. Then you can have the opportunity to experience. If there is no VPN, it will be written here in the lower left corner, not currently supported in your region. If there is support, it will be like this if you have joined the list. Next, let's directly compare the differences between the two EAs. Welcome everyone to subscribe and share with everyone and press like. This will also give me the motivation to continue to release the latest technology videos. Here we use the GPT-4 SPA-8 version to compare with Google BARD. Part 1. Let's compare how to write a longer essay. What's the difference? From the results, we can see that Google BARD. It only took 9 seconds to watch Fast and Furious episodes 1 to 10. Write down your thoughts on each episode, and there are 3 versions to choose from. In contrast, we see that GPT version 4 is still writing the second episode. Let's speed it up. Okay, GPT score looks like the maximum output is exceeded. It's been over 2 minutes now. From here, we can see the difference. Google BARD is really fast. Part 2, we changed it to use GPT 3.5 fast version. We can say that Google BARD is about the same. Fast and Furious episodes 1到10 in 7 seconds. The experience of each episode is written out and there are 3 versions to choose from. GPT 3.5 on the left is indeed better, much faster but also took around 27 seconds. Part 3, asking questions. When we ask him about the launch date of the competitor's AI, we can see that GPT-4 says the database is only available until September 2021, and Google BARD accurately uses GPT-4 release date March 14 exactly. From here, we can know that Google BARD is ability to network with friends and answer current events. The database on the GPT-4 side only goes to. There is still some time gap in September 2021. Part 4, price. Next, we asked about the price of the API from the answer. GPT-4 actually does not know because he does not have the ability to connect to the internet. There are 3 versions on Google BARD. One of the versions listed, GPT-3 each request 0.006 yuan, Google BARD 0.012 yuan per request. Looks like Google BARD is twice as expensive as its rivals. but the price is still unknown and it is not sure whether the price will drop in the future. So don't worry, I believe it will become very cheap in the future because most people use it. Part 5 API Connection. Next, come to the API series that everyone is most concerned about. Google BARD. Here I ask how to connect API with Python. He said that the Google Cloud API must be activated before. How to use the serial connection is also listed below. There are 3 versions. As for how to connect PAS in ChatGPT, you can see the previous teaching in the upper right corner. Well, this is a simple Google BARD unboxing. I hope you will like it. If you have any series you want to watch, or hope to help ask BARD any questions, welcome everyone to leave a message. If you like our channel, please help subscribe, share, turn on the little bell. This way you will not miss the latest technology videos. Thank you everyone.